I'm just going to do some people, these cabinets, whether it be a CD one or a Clarkey one or a Mattis one, the 220 litre SBC blast cabinet, SBC 220, they have these guns on, and people like me open this up here. And people have been asking me, can we convert them to foot operated, like where is it, like that there, a cabinet there, foot operated, got a decent gun in them. Should be one in there like that I can have a look at like that. So I thought we'll have a crack. Can't be hard. I know we do conversion kits with media valves on the bottom like this here, but if you notice with this cabinet it's straight bottomed, so you know, it'll work with a hatch like that. But I'll come back to that. But with these ones, it's a bit different. So I suppose you could put a media valve on it with a bit of adjustment, a bit of butchering and that, get the grinder out. But I think you'd find you have to put it long ways because it's long. So anyway, I'll try and put a conversion, just do a conversion kit, just so it's foot operated without the media valve, and we'll see how we get on. Right, so there you go, foot pedal. I've put regulator valve there. I think that fitting there is, you would need, I'm not really showing that very well, am I? A quarter to go on there anyway, quarter PSP. Foot pedal, I've gone straight to the hole in the front. Bit shabby that, really it should go underneath, like these ones, they go in the hopper. Yeah, show this cabinet here. But just for purpose of testing it, I've gone straight through this, the front. And then inside now, we've now got the decent gun, if you can see that. And all I've done is connect it to the pipe that goes down into the hopper. And then obviously that's the one that's coming up in through the front, into the gun. Much better gun. So hopefully it'll work. It's got two chances. I'll give it a go and we'll see what happens. Okay, so far so good. We've got air going to the regulator. That there running out to my compressor outside. So I'm going to test it with that rusty old plate there. I've put a bit of glass bead in the bottom, look. Bear in mind it might be dusty because I've got no extraction on it. I've left a hole in the back there which should be filtered in. But there, we'll have a go. Okay, I've had a quick play and it does work a treat. So let me show you for the camera. Hang on. Little rusty old plate there. You can see that. You can see where I've had a quick play. Foot pedals, just pressing on the foot. That's tidy, that. Looks a treat. Rusty bit there, look. Probably not the best of media to be testing this with. Ali oxide would have been better, but all the same. There you go. It's not bad. That'll do. Just take these out. That's it. Now it's a foot operated blasting cabinet. I hope that helps. Thanks very much for watching.